Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to connect a keyboard to Samsung Galaxy Tab. So let's get started. First thing first, plug the keyboard or dock into the port of the bottom of the Galaxy Tab. After that, start using the keyboard. As soon as you plug the keyboard in or set in the dock, it should begin working immediately. Then if your keyboard is not working, open the settings app. You may need to manually select your keyboard. Then go to the language and input. Ensure that the keyboard is checked in the list of input methods. Then power down your Samsung Galaxy Tab if the dock is not recognized. There is a non-error with some versions of the Galaxy Tab and the official dock. The quickest way to fix it is to power down the Samsung Galaxy Tab and insert the power down tab into the dock. Power the Samsung Galaxy Tab back on, then check the language and input. Charge your dock. If it's still not working, give your dock some time to charge. It may not have enough power to work. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.